Today, I'll show you how to add a smooth pendulum animation to your text. This effect makes your text swing back and forth, giving your video a fun and dynamic touch. Let's get started. First, head to your timeline and tap the plus button to add a text layer. Type in the text you want to animate. Next, tap on the text layer and from the pop-up menu, select Motion. Inside the motion settings, switch over to the Loop tab. Here, you'll see different looping animations, and one of them is Pendulum. Tap on it, and instantly, your text starts swinging like a pendulum. You'll also notice a duration slider. This controls how fast or slow the pendulum swings. Slide it to the left for faster movement, or to the right for a slower, more dramatic swing. And that's it. You now have a pendulum text animation in your video. Play around with different fonts, sizes, and colors to make the effect even more eye-catching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick VN editing tips.